and to be formed a short play about helping each other at Christmas time. We might spot a few familiar Christmas characters.
Last time it's 3,000 feel the angel baby of called amazing in heaven.
All the other angels had flown up by, but not little angel could see no wings.
Gotta move on, little angel. You're late.
I'm sorry. I wish someone would tell me how to get wings. I could go much faster.
You have to find out by yourself. Angels, I have great news. A very special baby is going to be born in Bethlehem. He is going to be the Son of God, and his name is going to be Jesus. This is the child we've been waiting for. We need to visit Mary in Nazareth and tell her she is going to have a baby. Can I go to Nazareth? I'm sorry, it's too far.
Please, I so want to go.
Little angel was so sad she felt like crying.
Little angel was very sad.
I wish someone would tell me how to get wings.
You have to find out by yourself. Little angel never had one. I may not be of an angel, but to tell me the news. Who are you? He's the angel Gabriel. I have news for Mary.
The months passed, and then it was time for baby Jesus to be born.
The angels were planning to set off for Bethlehem as usual. Little angel was late.
Angel wouldn't ever keep up with the other angels, so they flew away to Bethlehem, leaving her behind.
The little angel was so sad she felt like crying.
Just then, a dove flew down beside her.
I'm the dove of peace. I'm flying to Bethlehem too.
I wish I could fly like you.
Don't be sad. You might get wings sooner than you think. This cheered little angel up as the dove flew away. She had a brave idea.
I know what I'll do. I'll walk to Bethlehem. This is such a long journey. I wish I had my wings. Oh look, a donkey. That's a little donkey.
There's a phone in my hoof. Thank you for having me here, little angel.
Need to keep going. Goodbye. The angel set off, and guess who came to collect the donkey? Mary and Joseph set off to Bethlehem.
Meanwhile, some shepherds are in the field looking after their sheep.
So
Suddenly, the shepherds noticed the angels and they were scared. But the angels told them not to be afraid because they had good news.
Look, the bright star is going towards Bethlehem.
Let's follow it!
But we should take a gift for the baby. What was he like?
Ba, ba. This is such a long journey. I wish I had my wings. Ba, ba. Oh look, a lamb. What's the matter, little lamb? My foot is stuck in a hole. Thank you for helping me. You're a little angel. I need to keep going. Goodbye.
Look, there's our lamb. We've been looking everywhere for you.
Yeah, the lamb got a long way to go. They all followed the bright star in the sky. Three kings were also following the star to Bethlehem.
Look, we're getting closer to that star.
Phew, at last. Soon we'll see the baby king. I will give him gold. I will give him frankincense. I'll give him myrrh. Woo! This is such a long journey. I really wish I had my wings. Woo! Oh look, a dove. What's the matter, little dove? My wing hurts. I can't fly anymore. Thank you for helping me. You're a little angel. I must be on my way. Goodbye. Soon everybody began to arrive at Bethlehem. Who was the last one there? I'm so tired. Look, it's little angel. She made my house better. She got my foot off the hole. She made my wing better. She's a little angel.
Come in, little angel. Come and see the baby.
But I have no gift to bring. Yes, you do. I do? Hi, I don't understand. You made my house better. You got my foot off the hole, Ba. You made my wing better. You do have a gift for baby Jesus. Come closer, little angel. This is a long journey, but I made here. Shut your eyes, little angel. My wings, but high. Giving love is how you got wings. At last, little angel has her wings. Thank you for listening to our play. We are trying to get our wings this Christmas by
helping the people around us. This Christmas is going to be a little different this year. It's not going to be all about opening presents this year. We think it's very important to help others this year. We like to give gifts and spend time with family and friends. Check out some of our favourite Christmas memories. Building a snowman. Dressing up as an angel at school.
Very good.
Watching movies and eating candy. I love the Christmas tree. When I eat Christmas dinner with my family and when I open the crackers and I play with my toys after my Christmas dinner. I dressed my dogs up. And I dressed one up as Santa and then the other one out and then the other one Elf. I got new work boots from Santa Claus and Elfie came to my house and did something funny.
What did Elfie do, Tom?
He taped my superheroes on top of my sister's Barbie camper and he was driving it.
Fine. Right.
Firing snowballs at people.
Who would you fire a snowball at?
My brother.
My goodness. Is that good fun? What's Santa Claus bringing you for Christmas now, Luke?
Work trousers. I love whenever my elves play cheeky tricks. When I builded a snowman with my daddy.
Oh, lovely. Was it a big snowman?
Yeah,
Did you give it a name?
Rexy. Going down the stairs to see all the presents.
Oh, the presents. Very good. And what's your favourite memory, Paraic?
Eating the reindeer home. Going up to my nanny's with Nello and wearing my Christmas brownies with my family.
Very good. Brilliant. And Grace?
I like opening up my presents and going to my cousin's house.
Very good. Brilliant. Clara?
I like seeing my auntie from Chicago.
From Chicago? Does she come the whole way over for Christmas?
Yeah, but now she can't.
She can't this year, but maybe she'll be able to come next year. And I'm sure it's all about Matthew.
Sharing and being nice.
Good boy. Brilliant. Fantastic. What do you think it's all about, Marley?
Jesus' birthday. I like going to my granny's and grandpa's, the
Fine.
elves.
The elves. What do the elves do, Anna?
They flew to my house and Rosie went to sleep and I set her on my bookshelf and put a blanket over her.
My goodness.
Getting the party from my granny's house and having chicken nuggets.
Oh, lovely. Chicken nuggets. Chicken nuggets and chips. That's lovely, isn't it?
And curry sauce. We will now say a few short prayers in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Dear God, thank you for families and thank you for the people who care for us and thank you for our homes where we can be safe and warm. Amen. Dear God, thank you for Christmas. Thank you for all that we are looking forward to this year. Help us to remember those who are not looking forward to Christmas. Help us to be there for them. Amen. Dear God, it is better to give and receive. Please help us to enjoy this Christmas. Amen. Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. We should then our family sing the famous song, Jingle Bells in Ira. We'll be very busy learning this difficult song.